How to download your bank statement from Rabobank. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to download your bank statement from Rabobank. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up your Rabobank application and just make sure to log in to your mobile banking account from over here. And once inside your account settings or account option, you just have to tap on the option that is statements, which is at the bottom right of your screen. And then you just have to simply select the account from which you want to view the statements from, and after that you just have to pick the file format like CSV or XML. And once you do all of that, just click on download file at the bottom of your screen to download the file, and just choose the directory where you want to save the file and simply click on save. And just like that, you should be viewing your bank statement from Rabobank. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.